Hello everyone, I just thought I'd make a quick video to try and explain how I'm going to make the rocket. So I know quite a few people have been intrigued. I should be starting work on it tomorrow, Tuesday at Fab Lab. I'm booked in, so this is the last the last day before it all begins. Right, so I'm going to just backtrack. This is the first one I ever made. It's just out of cardboard. You can see it's just pretty basic, but it shows the thing. So then I went to Fab Lab and I showed them this, and I said I'd like to make this using a laser cutter. Now, a laser cutter, it takes your design that you've got on the computer, but instead of printing it out on a piece of card for you to cut out, it actually cuts it out of material. So you can see I've got a sheet of acrylic, and it has laser cut the pieces out. You can see some are still in at the top there, and those are being taken out. And once they come out of there, they can be slotted in piece by piece to one of these. Now, usually with the smaller ones, you'd slot all your pieces in there. It's 15 horizontal. 15 horizontal and 3 vertical. So you'd slot those all into one vertical, and then you'd fit the other 2 verticals in. So what you end up with is that. So the idea with that is that these are hopefully to sell. I'm going to try and get some made up for Culture Night if we're lucky. But the big rocket is the same principle. But we're now going to use a CNC machine, and I'm going to cut it out, and the CNC machine cuts out on MDF boards 8 by 4 foot. So that's what we've got here. This is 8 by 4 foot boards, and on each board the designs are cut out from here and here. Now obviously if you've got 2 of these on top of each other, you're about 4.5 meters the entire rocket. Now, you can't cut out on a piece of it's going to be MDF we're cutting out on. You can't cut out on a piece of MDF that big, but even if you could, it'd be far too dangerous to get it up like that. So it's going to be made in 2 halves. So I made a joint, as you can see here, and then what will happen is that both of these halves will be constructed in the same way as this is, but just the bottom half first and then the top half. Once we have the bottom half up with its 3 different verticals and its horizontals in place, then a group of us has to climb up on a higher surface and then lower the top half into place, a bit like a big Lego brick in principle. So there'll be 3 of these sparks, 1 for each vertical, that's got to fit into the lower area here, and then obviously it's got to be tied down and got to have brackets put on it to make it secure. But that is basically how we're going to make the rocket, all in theory. As I say, tomorrow is the first day when I start cutting it out, so wish me luck. Thanks. Bye.